Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the BMW R90 Racer, number 2 out of 5 from Hotwheels Moto, and number 68 out of 250, and as you can see, hold on, let me shake it a bit, there you go. So as you can see on the card, I'm not sure if you can see, there it is, the regular treasure hunt logo, and as you can see, this is a regular treasure hunt. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. By the way, this is from the C case of 2022. I'm not sure if it is available in D case. I don't think so, because this is a regular treasure hunt and I don't think it is available. Hold on, I need to place it on the turntable properly so it doesn't tip over or fall down. Let me just adjust it a bit here real quick. Okay, I don't think it works. I'm trying to put white text on my turntable here, so how do you put this? Because I don't really review motorbikes, so yeah, I'm not prepared for this. So yeah, here it is, the BMW 90. Why does it look like it's gonna tip over? It's like, never mind, it tipped over. Yeah, this is the BMW 90 Racer, and as you can see, yes, this is another motorcycle from BMW. You might remember Hot Wheels have done a motorbike from BMW as well before this. This one has been released in like many colors. I remember there was the white color 90 Racer, there was the black color. I'm not sure if there's any other colors. Yeah, this one is in blue. Well, obviously I took this because it's a regular treasure hunt, and why not? I don't really collect motorbikes that much, so it would be fine to be putting this into my collection. But still, it kind of seems like it's tipping over for some reason. I won't be showing you like the normally what I do. Like I normally do the showcase where I just show it. Show the details and whatnot, because it's already on the turntable, so I won't be touching it again because it may tip over again, sort of. So yeah, this is the BMW 90 Racer, and as you can see, yes, you have those type of wheels. I don't know what you call them, because I'm not a motorbike expert when it comes to Hot Wheels, but yeah, you have those type of wheels, which okay, pretty nice. And you have that type of texture for the wheels. Actually, I've done a review of a motorbike before. You might remember the Honda Monkey. Yeah, that was one of my motorbikes that I've done a review of, and this might be the second one, I think. Yeah, as you can see, I think it's gonna tip over soon. Yes, the whole body of the car is in black, and I believe that's metal. The only part that's plastic is the wheels and the blue part, if I'm not mistaken. Is it plastic? Yes, it is. So yes, the blue parts are plastic, by the way. The metal part is basically this whole black bit of metal right there. But yeah, that's basically sort of it. Do I need to show the base for this one? Oh, I'm not even done yet. Oh yeah, you can see there's one circle headlight in the front. You have the BMW logo on both sides, and then you have the black stripe on the side, and basically that's it. Do I need to show the base for this one? Maybe I do. Okay, let me just brush it. Came off with the white text. Hold on. Oh, I'm such a dumb idiot. I didn't even need to show the base. It didn't even say anything on the base. So yeah, let me just stick it back and hopefully it doesn't fall down. Oh yeah, I have a quick question. Have any of you seen the RTH logo yet? Because I did found it. I already found the TH logo. Has any of you found it? I'll give you 3 seconds and I'll and then I'll tell you where the TH logo is. So basically the TH logo is right down here, as you can see. I'm just gonna tip it over. Hold on. Maybe I can show it. Just a few seconds. Yes, you can see it right there. That is the, oh god, that's the TH logo right there in black. Yes, that's a tiny hidden detail, which I don't know why they put it there, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, wow, this is so hard to review, especially with the thumbtacks. And yeah, there you go. That is my review of the BMW NineT. Sorry that I put it not center, but yeah, there you go. That's my review of the BMW NineT. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.